Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Today, let us start with revision. Okay? Revision for FA1. FA1 revision. Okay, children. Now, next month, that is this month, August, you will be having FA1 test. So your portions and all will be written down on the board. You will be having 2 chapters, 2 lessons from EVS. And today I am starting with revision. Okay. So in each class, I'll be giving 2-3 mains of revision. I want you all to write this in one separate book. All the subjects you can write in one book itself, and you study from this revision itself. Okay, for your test. Your test date they'll be announcing. They'll be sending you in a message, and probably it will be like 16th. It will be starting for higher class, and for you all, they'll mention the particular date. You'll be getting a message. Okay. So from today, I'll be starting revision. I have completed all 5 chapters, but for your test, first round test, you'll be having 2 chapters. I'll write down here which are the chapters, first lesson and second lesson. Okay. Portions, lesson 1, that is my body. Myself, it's not a lesson actually. Okay, my body. My body. And lesson 2, my family. Okay. So only 2 chapters we are taking for your first round test, because it should be easy for you to study also, since it is first test. Okay, my family. Only 2 lessons. Oh, and this is the portions for you. You have to learn whatever you will be getting the worksheet also. And apart from that worksheet, I have altered and given. I'll be giving for revision. You study only from the revision part. Okay. Now let us start. First main revision. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First main is fill in the blanks. You can note down, write down in one book. Fill in the blanks. First one. We were born as babies. Were born as babies. How were we born? We were born as babies. Okay. Second one. Our body is like a. Our body is like a dash. Our body is like a machine. Third one. Our body is made of. Our body is is made of dash and dash. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Yes or no? Our body is made of bones and muscles. Okay. Fourth one, we use our dash to breathe. We use our, in what you will breathe? We breathe through our nose. We use our nose to breathe. Fifth one, the food we eat goes into our dash. When you eat food, where does the food goes? It goes into your stomach. Sixth one, we live in a house with our dash. We live in a house with our dash. With whom you stay at home? We stay with our family. Okay. Now I'll read out. Still it is there. Few more fill in the blanks are there. Copy down this first. Again I'll write down. We were born as babies. How were we born? When we were born, we were small babies. Gradually, we'll grow tall, fat, everything. Okay. Now, second one, our body is like a machine. Our body is like a machine. Now, nothing, organs will stop working. Okay. Once if it stops, that's all. The person is dead. So, our body always, it will be on, the machine will be on, always it will be working. Our body is made of dash and dash, bones and muscles. You can see bones give shape to our body. Bones, it is the stiffness. Because of bones, we can stand, jump, walk, run, bend, everything you can do. So along with that, bones, muscles are covering the bones. So bones and muscles are there in our body. So our body is made up of bones and muscles. We use our nose to breathe. To breathe, we use our nose. You can't breathe with mouth. The nose you have to breathe. The food we eat goes into our stomach. When you feel hungry, you will be telling no. So hungry is your stomach. So whatever food you eat, it goes into your stomach. There the food gets digested and it spreads to all parts of the body, digested things. We live in a house with our family. In a house, you all the people living together. It is called a family. Father, mother, children, everybody put together is called a family. Okay. Now write down quickly. 1 minute time I'll give. Still, I'll be continuing the fill in the blanks. 7, 8, 9 like that. Copy down this first. Okay, children. Now I'll rub this. I have to continue the fill in the blanks. Sixth one finished now. Now seventh one I'll be writing. Okay. Now seventh one. The dash is written after the first name. Dash is written after the first name. So what is written after your name next? They'll be writing you. So that is called surname. 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 Okay. Eighth one. Dash tell us stories. Who will tell stories? Grandparents. Grandparents tell us stories. Ninth one. Father works in the dash. Where does father work? Father works in the office. Okay. Then next, 10th one, dash cooks food for the family. Cooks food for the family. Who cooks food for the family? Mother. Mother cooks food for the family. Okay, children. Now, 7th one, you have to continue the fill in the blanks. The surname is written after the first name. Dash tell us stories. Grandparents tell us stories. Father works in the dash office. Dash cooks food for family. Mother cooks food for the family. Okay, now after this, second main, choose and pick the correct answer. Now copy down this that I'll write down. Copy down quickly. I'll give you 1 minute time. Okay, children, now I'll erase this. Next, we'll write 2nd May. Second May. Choose and tick the correct answer. Okay. Now, choose and tick. First one, which part is not inside the body? Part is not inside the body. Option A, heart. Option B, eyes. Option C, brain. Now, which part is not inside the body? That means outside it is. Heart is inside. Eyes, it is outside. So, eyes, you have to put tick mark. Okay. Second one, the organ that helps us to breathe. Which is the organ that helps us to breathe? Options are A, lungs, B, brain, C, muscles. Muscles. So, lungs, this is the organ which helps us to breathe. Third one, parents with 1 or 2 children. Parents with 1 or 2 children living together is called, what is it called? Option A, joint family. Joint family. Option B, nuclear family. Option C, single parent family. Single parent family. Okay. Now, parents with one or two children living together is called nuclear family. That is nothing but small family. Okay. Now, copy down this, children. Still, I'll be continuing. 3 I have finished. Still, I'll write down. Copy down quickly. I'll give you 1 minute time. Okay, children, copy. Now, I'll erase. I'll continue next. After third one, fourth one. For today, I'll write down only these 2 mains. Study nicely. They'll be informing you when it is starting first round test. That is FA1. I have written here portions also. FA1 portions. Okay. As I told you, all this revision, writing one book. Keep one book to write. Revision for all the subjects, one book you keep. So next test again you keep one more book if page is not there. Okay. I hope you will be having pages. For 2 tests you can keep one book for all the subjects. All subjects hardly you will be getting some 4-5 pages revision you can write. So you can keep one book and write all the subjects in one book so that it will be easy for you to read also. Okay, children. Now third one finished. Fourth one, copied on. She cooks food for the family. She cooks food for the family. Options: mother, B, sister, C, grandmother. Who cooks food for the family? Mother will cook the food. Okay, now fifth one, he earns for the family. Who will earn for the family? Who will go to work? Father. Options are father, brother, auntie, grandfather. So who will work? Father. Father will work for the family. Now last one, sixth. We help our parents to keep the house dirty, be clean, see untidy. So we help our parents to keep the house clean. Okay. Okay, children. So by this, only two mains I have given. First main is fill in the blanks and second main is choose and tick the correct answer. Copy down this neatly in one book, revision book. Okay. And study from this only for your first round test, that is FA1. Portions I have written, lesson 1, my body, lesson 2, my family. For today, two mains I have given. In next class, I'll be giving remaining mains for you to study. Okay. Now, next I'll give homework also. Copy down this quickly. I'll write down the assignments. Last class, first 3 question answers I had given from lesson 3. Food for us. Okay, now 4, 5, 6, you write down. Okay, I'll not write down the questions, but copy from your classwork. Okay. Assignment. Learn and write question answer. Lesson 3. Yes or no? From lesson 3. One time you write. That is question 4, question 5, question 6. Okay. Question 4, 5, 6. From classwork. Okay. Copy down from your classwork 4, 5, 6. Write one time, that is enough. This is your assignment. Okay. Lesson number 3 I have mentioned. Note down properly, children. Okay. Okay, now I hope you all have copied this. Study properly. In next class, I'll be giving remaining few mains. Okay, you'll be getting even worksheet also scanned there, and you maintain the separate book as I told you for revision. Write down in that. English also, EVS also, all other subjects you can keep one book itself. It will be easy for you to study. Okay, whatever we are giving revision, study this. Along with that, read both the chapters. That is lesson 1 and lesson 2. Read the lesson also. So it will be easy for you to write down the answer. Okay, spellings and all you have to learn. Okay, children. So copy down this. Learn. Study nicely for your test. Get prepared. Okay, children. By this, I'll be ending the class. Thank you.